Hey everybody, we're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to show you how I cook my roast beef, okay? We have a nice bottom round roast here. Oh yeah, we do. All we're going to do, preheat our oven, put on bake, 500 degrees, 500. Take some garlic, chop it up. If me using garlic offends you, you can lose all my contact information because that's just how it is. Stab some little holes in the meat there. Push the garlic into it so it gets all through the cut of meat. Some real good stuff. And okay, I should say, if me using meat offends you, don't worry. 100% grass-fed, so it's basically vegan. If that upsets you, again, don't worry. As soon as they try to ban meat, you'll be the first ones we eat. So, win-win, right? Here we go. Get this all nice and decorated up with the garlic. And we're going to take a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter on it, slap it around a little bit, you know, get it on there. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna clean that up. And that's it. Put it in the pan. Now, the neat thing about this, and make it come out right every time, set your oven for 500 degrees. You do it. Cook it 5 minutes per pound at 500 degrees. Then you shut the oven off. Okay, so this guy weighs 4.79 pounds, which is going to run me 23 minutes. Cook this for 23 minutes at 500 degrees, turn the oven off. Don't open it, don't touch it. Leave it for an hour. After that hour, it'll come out perfect. We'll give it a shot, check it out. Okay, so waiting for the oven to heat up to 500 degrees, give me a little time to clean up. And so we're just gonna take this nice little hunk of meat here, put it right on the middle rack. Remember, 5 minutes per pound at 500 degrees. You may be asking, how did I know it was 4.79 pounds? Easy, it's written right on the package whenever you buy the meat, it tells you how much it weighs. Take that, multiply it by 5, give you 5 minutes per pound. There you go, 23 minutes. Echo, set timer for 23 minutes.
23 minutes, starting now.
And I'll have you back when I pull it out of the oven. See you then. There it is, Echo, timer off. And what we do, turn it off. That's it, now we leave it for an hour. Do not open it. Trust me. We'll get back to this as soon as it's done. I'll show you exactly what we come up with. Echo, set me a timer for 1 hour.
Starting now.
There we go. See you guys in a bit. Okay, here we go. Echo, how much time left?
You have 50 seconds left on your 1 hour timer.
50 seconds left, and we can go ahead and pull it out of the oven. Got a few things ready here. Now the hardest thing to do, and I'll tell you this, the hardest thing to do, is to not open that oven while you're smelling it cook, because it just smells so good. You gotta refrain from doing that. You cannot open it and let any heat out. Sits for 1 hour after cooking for 5 minutes per pound at 500 degrees. Oh, get Nancy. Echo, how much time left?
You have 10 seconds left on your 1 hour timer.
10 seconds. Let's get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm a bit early. Here we go. Echo, timer off. And here we go. Look at that. That looks perfect, doesn't it? Let's take a closer look. There we go. Right there. That's all I did. 5 minutes, a pound at 500 degrees. Turn the oven off, let it sit for an hour, and see what we've got. I'm going to check it right down the middle to show you how perfect it comes out. Look at that. Comes out perfect, just like that every time. Can't beat it. Let's just take a couple slices off here. It's hard doing this when you're left-handed and gotta shoot over the right-hand side here, or left-hand side there. It's gotta make some adjustments. Look at that. Comes out perfect. So, if you guys want to give it a shot, give it a shot and let me know how it comes out. And if you'd like me to try your recipe, go ahead and drop me a note. Tell me what the recipe is. Make it sound really good. Then invite me over and cook it, because that's the only way I'm going to be getting it. So anyway, you guys have a great one. Enjoy your cooking, and we'll see you out there.